Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri Ann Richerson.com. Yay, Indiana weather! It's snowing again! Middle of April, and it's snowing. It's not really accumulating, but it's snowing. It's cold. It's not normal. It feels like we're back in winter again. We keep doing this bounce. It'll warm up. It'll be, we'll get up into like the 70s, and then a few days later, we're back to snow. So it's made havoc for trying to get our garden going. It's either been raining or it's snowing, or the weather just has not cooperated for us to be able to actually get out, get the garden ready, and get it planted. So hopefully, I know we're getting late on a lot of our produce that we wanted, but maybe we'll still be able to get some of our vegetable garden planted. I'm hoping. So, but I don't know. This has just been some weird weather this year. Okay. There we go. That is my forklift license for American Woodmark. So I finally have it. So I'm now official. I can operate a forklift here at American Woodmark. Yay! Sorry. This weather does not help my being able to stay awake. Gray, drab, nasty days make me just want to sleep. So, but just finished work. It was kind of a slow day. We didn't have a lot to work on. Not necessarily a bad thing. So I spent some time reworking some hinges, salvaging them back into the system. We've been competing with one of the other plants in the corporation on our salvage dollars. We've beaten them. We were dead last for a long time. We have been the worst salvage department in the entire corporation for a long time. But starting about 6 months ago, we're coming up on 6 months now, we have managed to turn things around, and we have jumped to first place from last place. And if we can manage it again this month, it'll be 6 months in a row that we have beaten all the other salvage departments. The one that we've been competing with the most has been Kingman. They were in top place all the time until suddenly we took over top place. So right now, in the month, they're slightly ahead of us, but they've been having some difficult days. Their salvage numbers have been declining, whereas ours have been getting better. We started off kind of rocky this month, but we've been getting better. So we've closed the gap between us. So I'm hoping that we can manage again, because it would be, it does give us some bragging rights that we have gone into, being the top salvage department in the corporation, having been last for so long. So, but you know, we're coming together as a team and working hard. There are times when it doesn't feel like it. It's difficult to work with a couple of people. So, but we're trying. I do my best to get along with everybody, but I do have somebody that I have issues with. So it makes it a little difficult, but I'm doing the best I can, trying my hardest to not let it bother me. And today I was having a good day because I didn't have to listen to the person today because I was over in another little area working on my own. So hopefully I'll have an opportunity to do some more of that this week, and I can keep my cool. So, but anyways, enough about the weather and work. I think that's going to do it for today. So, thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. Subscribe, help us out. And we will see you again tomorrow. Have a great evening.